Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to apply same transition on all clips in Instagram Reels. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, I'm gonna open up my Instagram and I will just record some reels here, like 3 to 4 reels, and I will just tap on this plus icon here, and then what I'm gonna have to do, tap on reels here, tap on camera, and basically I will record 3 reels. Okay, so the first one will be like this one, then the second one, and then the third one. So now here you can see that I have like 3 clips. Okay, so now let's suppose that if you have multiple clips, like more than 3 clips, 5 or 6 clips, and if you wanted to apply the same transition between all the clips, then you can do this by single click. Okay, just go to next, edit video, and basically you need to apply the transition to one of the clips like this one, and apply any transition which you like. Okay, if I like this one, basically now here you can see that at the bottom left side we have this option where it says apply to all. Okay, so when you tap on this one, the same transition will be applied between all of the clips. Okay, so I will just tap on apply here, and now you can see that all of the clips have the same transition. So now this one, then here, then here, and then here. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.